Thank you for stopping by. If I can assist you, please contact me at 336-870-7209 looking for the elusive one-story split floor plan with ample natural light, vaulted ceilings, open floor plan, and convenient to shopping, airport, and all the amenities of the Triad. Well, here it is. This is a well-maintained one-owner property. All on a single level, this home is perfect for you. Living room has gas fireplace, vaulted ceiling, and access to patio through French doors. The kitchen, refrigerator to remain, with oak cabinets and its own dinette area and a bay windows adjacent to the living area. This home even has a formal dining area. Could be used as a den or home office. The choice could be yours. Primary bedroom with ensuite bath, tub and separate shower, double sink, vanity, walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms on the opposite side of the home. One with vaulted ceiling and both a very nice size. Full bathroom for these 2 bedrooms. Laundry room and cellar set.